Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Translate. Google. Com in your browser and signing into your Google account if you want saves and history. Once done, make sure you select the correct source and target languages at the top. This prevents wrong automatic detections. You can type directly into the left box, paste text, or click the microphone icon to speak. Also check the input mode, text, document, or website, so you use the right workflow for longer content. Next, paste or type your text, or choose document mode and upload a file for entire page translation. You'll see a progress indicator for larger files. Once the translation appears on the right, click the speaker icon to hear pronunciation or the copy button to send text to clipboard. If the automatic translation misses context, edit the source or use alternate word suggestions. This improves accuracy because the engine reprocesses on each change, and you get a better localized result. Finally, for whole websites, either paste the URL into website mode or rely on Chrome's Translate prompt when you visit a foreign page. Once translated, navigate to verify layout and links. If formatting breaks, copy affected sections into document or text mode and retranslate. If nothing loads, clear browser cache, disable interfering extensions, or open an incognito window to eliminate state issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.